Welcome to my DIY or buy spring edition. To make a teacup birdie with me, you'll need a thrifted teacup and a wood bird cutout, plus floral foam, moss and faux florals, wire cutters, and a hot glue gun. First you'll paint your bird and then glue the foam into the teacup. Wrap the Spanish moss with wire to create a nest. Add the nest and the bird to your teacup and fill the empty space with moss and florals. Add a bow to the handle. Remember, you can make your own bird, buy an unfinished wood bird from my Etsy shop, or buy a finished teacup birdie from my Etsy shop. Will you DIY or buy?